Welcome back, and time for another edition of Gaby's 411, where we bring important information for the community. And today we have Jackie Bird from Kern Family Healthcare, who joins us to talk about health plans and why it's important to develop good communication between healthcare plans and clients. Good morning, Jackie. Such a pleasure to have you here.
Hi, good morning, Gaby. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And I know that you have health plans available for the community. And why is it important for the community to have this communication with their health plan?
So I'm here on behalf of Kern Family Healthcare, and we've been offering Medi-Cal coverage to Kern County residents for 30 years. So this year we're celebrating our 30-year anniversary, and we also, starting this year, offer a Medicare D-SNP plan. That's a dual special needs plan for people who qualify for both Medi-Cal and Medicare. And when you're enrolled in these health plans, it's so important to be engaged with the health plan because Medi-Cal is so different than what it was in the past. There's a lot of programs, services, and offerings that we do to ensure that people are healthy. So a lot of people don't know about them, and they can lead someone to living a healthier life.
Absolutely. And we're showing right now you have the Kern Family Healthcare Medi-Cal and the Medicare D-SNP. Now, you were telling me that this program is a combination for members who are 65 plus, and this makes it a little bit easier for them to have both plans combined.
Yes, it does. So in the past, a lot of people who qualified for both Medi-Cal and Medicare navigated the healthcare system with two separate plans. And that really complicated the process of coverage for a lot of members. So we're really excited that we now offer D-SNP, that's a dual special needs plan. So it combines both plans into one to make the experience much more easier for the member and much more seamless.
Now, a lot of times people don't know what their healthcare plan can give them. And is not only the healthcare coverage, but the access to a network of providers, getting some type of classes. It's important for the community to know this because a lot of times I feel we have this fear of calling and you know, it's important to have that communication. What are some of the plans and some of the offerings in healthcare classes that the plan offers?
No, absolutely. So in addition to ensuring that people have coverage, we have a robust network of over 4,900 providers for people to get healthcare from. And in addition to that, we also offer member rewards for engaging with the plan. So here's the Medicare Visa card. Members receive one, and as they participate in getting annual screenings, or for children, if they get well child visits, their member rewards range from $15 to $60 per action per person. So that's supplemental. You basically get rewarded for taking care of your health. In addition to that, we have health and wellness classes at no cost, and also programs and services to meet people where they are. So our health plan recognizes, Kern Family recognizes that in order to live a healthy life, it's not just about having access to healthcare coverage, but really being stable in other areas of life that really influences your health. So by calling and just letting us know, if you need any support, if you need to see a doctor, whatever you need, call us. We'll try to connect you to make sure that, you live a healthy life.
Yes, no, absolutely. And those screenings are important for people no matter what age, if they are young, if they're children. And right now, thousands of people may lose Medi-Cal coverage. If you choose Kern Family, you can renew by calling the number on your screen, but it's important to know that they can also call Medi-Cal directly. What's important for people to know is that now, starting 2027, every 6 months, people have to renew, whether it is directly with Medi-Cal, whether they have a healthcare plan that will be important for them so that they don't lose it. They can scan that QR code. We have 30 seconds to say goodbye. Any message out there for people to know why it's important to have communication with their healthcare plan?
Thank you so much for bringing up the renewals. That's really important. Thousands of Kern County residents are losing coverage. So wherever you are, the first step is to make sure that you're enrolled. So you can call the number on the screen to let us know, where you are, whether you don't know when your date is, or if you got the yellow envelope and you don't know where to start, call us. We're here to help. And you have access to all these amazing things with your health plan.
Thank you so much. And we'll continue talking about all these important subjects right here on Gaby's 411. Thank you, Jackie, for joining us, and thank you guys. We'll be right back.